There's some things I really miss about my old life. Not really. I'll tell you what I missed. You know what I missed? I missed being in my car at 7:45 in the morning on the way to work, stuck in a traffic jam on Monday morning. Yeah, I missed that. That feeling of anxiety, that pit in your stomach, that you're on the way to work and you're stuck in a traffic jam with hundreds of other people that are just as angry as you are. That camaraderie you get with that, the adrenaline rush, all the while listening to some morning show that they're way too happy for a Monday morning. That always annoyed me. Why are you so damn happy and laughing when I'm so miserable? Oh, and then there's the Sunday morning, or the Monday morning, Sunday night feel. That feeling of dread on a Sunday night, of having to go to work the next day and knowing what I would have to face, some of the people I'd have to face, and I miss that. It gave me a purpose. I also miss alarm clocks. That buzzing in the morning, jolt you out of a sleep, get you charged up for the day. That rush to get to work, get in the shower, get ready. Man, that's a good feeling. Love that. Love that feeling of being jolted out of bed by the most annoying sound that you'd ever want to hear. That's fun, isn't it? Love that. Miss that. And how about half-hour lunches? That's what I always had most of the time, half-hour lunches. Having to take the time to get to the lunchroom and wolf down a meal in 15 minutes or less, and then get right back to work. Sometimes out in a hot warehouse or on a construction site or whatever work you did. That was fun. Get it in and get back at it. Get back to work. I miss that because now I don't have that urgency at lunch anymore. Yeah, I feel like I'm missing that, maybe. I miss going grocery shopping on weekends because it's the only time you have. You're working all week. And the feeling of, it's almost like that feeling in the traffic jam. Bunch of people that are around you that are trying to do the same thing you are, trying to get through it, and standing in long lines to get into the checkout counter, which there's only 2, by the way. And that was fun because you're all together with each other and you're all sharing the same misery, and it felt like you had something that you all had in common, brought you all together. And I miss that. Now I go shopping on a weekday and there's nobody there and there's no lines. I just don't have that shared, community feeling. I think I need that. That shared misery. It's so boring now. I don't have to deal with crowds or traffic or any of that. I miss when you were working with some people that had a bad day and they took it out on you, particularly if it was a boss or something. That was fun. Made it much more exciting, deadlines, overtime. I miss working weekends. You know, you got 6 days of work instead of only 5. So you got that bonus day, you know, got that extra day to be at that job. Yeah, I remember that. That was good times. Okay. Obviously, I don't miss those things. And, you know, some people actually thrive at those things. They actually enjoy that kind of lifestyle. They don't mind it one bit. If it weren't for the hustle and bustle, they'd feel empty, or they do feel empty. And I'm not putting that lifestyle down at all. Some people thrive on that. The old boss I had did. I mean, he was 70-something years old, and he didn't need to work. He owned the company, and he didn't need to work. But he came in anyway because he loved it. So I'm not putting that down. There's people that do like that. But for the people that don't, living that kind of lifestyle can be really, really a struggle. It can be tough to where you dread your Sunday nights. You dread the alarm in the morning. All of those things that I mentioned really it's like, you know, fingernails on a chalkboard, or always rowing against the current. It's just not, it doesn't seem to flow with your nature, your style, your natural, the way you are. The things I do like about my lifestyle now that I've retired is the fact that I don't have to get up to an alarm clock. That's huge. I get up when I'm rested, when I feel like getting up. I can lay in bed and think about the day for a while if I want. I don't need to get up abruptly. That's great. It's like having a weekend all the time. I like being able to have my coffee in the morning and take my time drinking it. No agenda, not any place I have to be at a certain time. So I have to, you know, slam down my coffee to get on the road. I love that. Eating lunch when I want, not when they're telling me it's lunchtime. Going shopping on a weekday instead of a weekend. I don't think I'll ever go into a Walmart again on a weekend. If I have to, absolutely have to, I dread it. When it gets right down to it, I don't miss a single thing about that old lifestyle, being at work. I don't. And I would imagine if you're watching this now, you might feel the same way. That's what this channel's about. You know, being retired, living a simple, quiet life, relaxed, enjoyable, enjoying retirement. Next time I'm going to talk about some of the things I didn't expect about retiring, some of the things that I hadn't thought about, and I'm going to follow that up right after this one, so you might want to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up or liked it, and subscribe if you want to. My name's Dennis, and I hope to see you at that next video. So, take care. Bye.